We're going to make a coconut pie today. I've got 150 grams flour. I've melted 50 grams of butter. I've got 150 milliliters milk, 4 eggs, 60 grams sugar. I'm going to need half a teaspoon baking soda, teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, a quarter teaspoon of salt, and I've got the grated fresh coconut. If you don't have grated fresh coconut, you can use coconut flakes. And of course, we've got the baking tin. Preheat your oven. I've already preheated mine to 220 degrees. So if you haven't already done so, at this point, before you start mixing, you turn your oven on. This is a very simple and straightforward recipe. I take my 150 sifted flour and I add everything into it. I add the grated coconut, add the sugar, add the 4 eggs, add the milk, add your baking soda, baking powder, add your salt, add your vanilla essence, add your melted butter, and mix everything all up. Mix everything up together. There's your mixture. We transfer this into our baking tin. We transfer this into our preheated oven. We bake this for 1 hour. That's ready. We leave it out to cool.